Are you heading to Sheraton Vistana Villages on International Drive in Orlando, Florida? And you want to see what a 2-bedroom villa looks like? Well, this resort has several different villas, villa types, villa sizes, and phases. In this video, we're going to take a look at a 2-bedroom villa in the Bella phase, right after this. Hello, as we start to head into the room here at Sheraton Vistana Villages in this 2-bedroom villa in the Bella phase, I want to welcome you to Destination Timeshare. The first area we're going to take a look at in here is the kitchen. From looking at this, you can tell that it hasn't been completely renovated yet, as there's no granite countertops, as you've probably seen in many of my other videos. As we take a look through the kitchen, we're going to check out the cabinets, the drawers, all the pots and pans, dinnerware, glassware, and we'll take a look at all of the appliances too. But I do want to ask, if you like timeshare videos, room tours, resort reviews, and resort tours, be sure to hit that like button down below. And if those are also the types of videos you'd like to see, be sure to subscribe down below, and also hit that notification bell and select all, and you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. Alright, now that we've taken a look through the kitchen here, we're just going to open a sliding pocket door here. Take a look at a small utility room. There are some pantry shelves there, so definitely kind of handy to have. But in here, you're also going to find an ironing board, and it's also the location of the in-room laundry. Stacked washer and dryer. Definitely a great thing to have when you're on vacation in Orlando. Now, just off the kitchen area is where you're going to find the guest bedroom. Pretty small guest bedroom here, just 2 double beds, nightstand, a lamp, and there is also a window here that does look out into kind of the main hallway, breezeway, where everybody would be walking past. So for some extra privacy, I do recommend closing the curtains there. And also in here, you do have a chest of drawers with a television, and over in the corner, there is a small closet with a luggage rack and some space for additional storage. Now let's take a look at the guest bathroom. There's actually an entryway to this guest bathroom from the guest bedroom, or also here from the main living area. You do just have a single vanity with a really large lighted mirror. That's one thing we love about these bathrooms at Sheraton Vistana Villages in Orlando. They have great big lighted mirrors. You also in here have the toilet and a bathtub with a shower. Now let's step back out into the main living area. Just off the kitchen, you do have a small dining room table that does seat 6 people. There's also a couple of stools there that do push up to the bar area, the counter area there of the kitchen. So you can technically, I guess, seat 8 people in the dining room here. You do also have a nice, interesting, large mirror there hanging on the wall. Now let's start heading in and taking a look at the living room. You do have kind of a side table here that does have a nice large lamp and some exposed electrical and USB power outlets. And right beside that, you do have a small utility closet just home to the vacuum cleaner. Now in the living room here, you do have 2 chairs, coffee table, side table, and a sofa that does pull out into a queen-size bed. And over here in the corner is a TV stand with a really large flat screen TV up on top, and below that you're going to find a Blu-ray player and Bose sound system. Before stepping out and taking a look at the patio that is just off the living area, we're going to walk in here and take a look at the master bedroom and master bath. In here you do have a king-size bed, a couple of nightstands, some lamps, and over there in the corner is also a nice sitting chair. Of course, in here you do also have a chest of drawers with another large flat screen television. Another nice thing about the master bedroom here is it does have an exit out to the patio, as well as a nice large window here with a great view out to the lake that the Bella buildings surround. Now we're going to start moving into the master bathroom area. You do have a large jetted tub here that is just off of the bedroom. It's actually kind of in an area that's outside the main master bathroom, but in this same area you do also have another single vanity. And there's also a small closet in here as well that I did not get any video of, but it is where you'll find the in-room safe and some additional storage. Now moving into kind of the main bathroom area here, you do have another single vanity. This area does close off to the other area of the bathroom and the master bedroom. But in here you also have a toilet and a pretty good size walk-in shower with glass doors. Now that we've seen the inside of this villa, let's step outside. We're going to take a look at the patio. You do have out here 4 chairs and a small patio table. This patio also has a ceiling fan, definitely a good thing to have. But one problem with it is this is probably about the only ceiling fan I think we could find in the villa. There might have been one in the living room, but there was no ceiling fan in the master or guest bedrooms. Like I said, 4 chairs and a small table. It also does have an electrical outlet here, and another great thing, screened in to help keep out those bugs, and a nice view out to the lake. As we take a look around the Bella phase at Sheraton Vistana Villages in Orlando, that was the 2-bedroom villa in Bella. Do you have a trip planned here in the near future? I'd love to hear all about it down in the comments below. And if you have any questions about this resort, we visit here often, so also be sure to ask those as well. And if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and to see more videos all about timeshare, check out the description box below. And for another video about Sheraton Vistana Villages in Orlando on International Drive, click on the one up there in the upper right. And YouTube, they think you'll like the one right below that. Be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Hit that notification bell. And until next time, remember, the best memories are made in a timeshare.